Hello everyone, welcome back sa aking channel. In this video guys, I'm going to share this grocery ayuda as my food allowance, and this is not just for me. Some of these are for grandpa or akong, and this one is for grandpa. This is a kind of fish powder. I will mix this guys in the porridge every time he's eating his breakfast time. So this is for Akong, and this one I can give this also for Akong or mine. This is a taro guys. I can make some recipes of this. And yes, this is my tuna, and this is my snack. This is like a tikoy with a different flavor. This one has black sesame and white sesame mixed, and some here, some like this one is nuts, and this plain here I could not remember, but this is so delicious kind of snacks. And yes, I have here, I can eat this for salad. I don't know what's the name of this guys. Comments down below if you name the name of these vegetables. I will eat this one raw, and this one is a kind of pichay. Yes, I have this one here, green bell pepper and carrots. And yes, my favorite one, it's, I don't know if this is purple cabbage. It's like purple sweet potato, and I have this 1 liter of milk. And this one for grandpa, like sweet snacks. And yes, this one my favorite one. I just lauoy or just steam this and dip in a hot vinegar. Yes, I have this small pumpkin and this white onions. This is just as, this is not much guys. Yes, this is not much. This is for grandpa. And this is mine. I can put this in a freezer so it won't get damaged. I will put in a freezer. This is wheat bread. This is my favorite one, mushrooms. And yes, my other favorite one is sweet potato leaves. And this one, my favorite also is broccoli sprouts. I'll see how, but this one guys, this amount is not all mine because my boss, she bought for her like a pan, a frying pan. I don't know how much is that frying pan, but here is total 2,157, but this amount is not all here. As I have said, my boss has also for her like the frying pan. And this one, cabbage. I know this is cabbage guys. It's like not cabbage. I don't know, maybe a kind of, another kind of cabbage. And yes, I have here dark chocolate. I don't have chosen a lot of snacks. I have here dark chocolate. Oh my goodness. Inuubo ako doon guys sa lamig. And this one is American spinach. Inuubo ako sa lamig doon. This one corn, I just boil this and eat. I have another snacks. I have only 2 snacks. So this one is seaweed snacks. This is this little now, guys. And yes, I have this favorite one, okra, and this tomato. I just spread over the table for thumbnail. So this one, mongo. As you notice, I am not choosing any other food. It's all like vegetarian food. So guys, that's all my grocery ayuda, not just for me but also for Grandpa. Once again, guys, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to click on the red button for subscribe and ring the bell for notifications para updated kayo sa mga videos na upload ko. I will see you guys in my next vlog. So guys, these are all the grocery ayuda that I already put on the table. This is not much actually because I don't choose, like I don't have here fruits, so I will buy